Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create a PowerPoint presentation using Google Gemini. This is a very useful feature because Gemini can help you create presentation content quickly, organize it into slides, export it to Google Slides, and then you can edit the slides based on your needs. You can do this in two ways. In the first way, you give Gemini a topic and Gemini generates the presentation content for you. In the second way, you already have your own content and you paste that content into Gemini and ask it to convert it into presentation slides. So let us start from the beginning. First, open your browser. Now go to Google Gemini. Once the Gemini page opens, make sure you are signed in with your Google account. You will see the prompt box where you can type your request. Before typing the prompt, make sure Canvas is enabled. Canvas helps Gemini create content in a more structured format, and from there Gemini can prepare a presentation style output. Now click inside the prompt box. Let us first see the option where Gemini generates the content. Here you can type a prompt like this. Create a professional presentation on the future of fintech. Include introduction, market growth, artificial intelligence, blockchain, digital payments, challenges, opportunities, and conclusion. Now click the send button. Gemini will start generating the presentation content. After a few moments, it will create the presentation in a slide style format. You can now review the presentation. Use the left and right arrow buttons to move from one slide to another slide. This helps you check the complete flow of the presentation. You can see whether the title slide looks good, whether the content is properly organized, and whether the final conclusion slide is strong enough. If you want any changes, you can ask Gemini to update the presentation. Now let us see the second option. Suppose you already have content for your presentation. Maybe you have notes, article content, a script, meeting content, research material, or course content. In that case, you do not need Gemini to generate everything from scratch. You can simply paste your content into the prompt box and give Gemini an instruction like this. Convert the following content into a presentation with clear slide titles, concise points, and a professional structure. Then paste your content below that instruction. Now click the send button. Gemini will analyze your content and convert it into a proper presentation. Again, once the slides are ready, you can review them one by one using the arrow buttons. If a slide contains too much text, you can ask Gemini to reduce the text. If the flow is not clear, you can ask Gemini to reorganize the slides. If you want a better ending, you can ask Gemini to create a stronger conclusion slide. Once you are satisfied with the presentation, click the Export to Slides button at the top. This will export the presentation to Google Slides. Now the presentation opens in Google Slides, and from there you can edit the slides. You can change the title, update the text, add new points, remove unnecessary content, insert images, apply themes, adjust colors, and format the slides exactly the way you want. This is very helpful because Gemini does the first draft for you, and then Google Slides allows you to polish the final presentation. So the complete process is very simple. Open Google Gemini. Enable Canvas. Type a prompt to generate the presentation content or paste your own content and ask Gemini to convert it into slides. Review the slides using the arrow buttons. Ask Gemini to improve the slides if needed. Then click Export to Slides. Now open the presentation in Google Slides and edit the slides as required. This is one of the fastest ways to create a presentation because you save time on content writing, structure, and slide planning. It is very useful for students, teachers, professionals, content creators, and anyone who wants to create presentations quickly. Just remember one important thing. Always review the slides before using them in your final presentation. Because Gemini can create a very strong draft, but your final review makes the presentation more accurate, more polished, and more personal. Next, you can also download the Google Slides to Microsoft PPT like this. You can also download the Google Slides to PDF like this. Thanks for watching.